Hello, eager learners. Welcome to Quick and Easy Learnings. Have you ever wondered why attending daily classes is so crucial for your academic journey? In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits that come with showing up to class each day. But before we dive into the benefits, let's set the stage. Imagine your education is a grand adventure, and daily classes is the compass that guides you through it. Daily attendance sets the foundation for success and growth. In this video, we'll uncover the valuable advantages of being present in class. Benefit number 1. Our first benefit, consistent learning. Daily classes ensure a steady flow of information. You receive a consistent dose of knowledge, making it easier to understand complex topics and retain what you've learned. Benefit number 2. Active participation. You can ask questions, engage in discussions, and clarify doubts in real time. It's an opportunity to interact with your instructors and peers. Benefit number 3. Accountability. Daily classes hold you accountable for your learning. You're less likely to procrastinate or fall behind when you have a consistent schedule to follow. Benefit number 4. Clarification. Now, clarification. Daily classes give you the opportunity to seek immediate clarification. If something's unclear, you can ask questions right away, ensuring you don't carry doubts forward. Benefit number 5. Last but not least, time management. Daily classes help you develop effective time management skills. You learn to balance your study time, assignments, and other commitments, which is a valuable life skill. Now, let's put these benefits together. Consistent learning, active participation, accountability, clarification, and time management. Daily classes offer you these incredible advantages. They are the building blocks of a successful academic journey. As we conclude, remember that your presence in daily classes is an investment in your education. These benefits are the rewards of your commitment to learning. If you found these insights into the benefits of attending daily classes enlightening, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow learners. Don't forget to subscribe to Quick and Easy Learning for more informative content. Until next time, may your daily classes be filled with growth and discovery.